had nothing to eat, so I decided I'm gonna make stuffed peppers for dinner tonight. It's so good. I like raw peppers, so, and I wanted it still crunchy because I'm taking one of these to lunch tomorrow for work, and I know that the reheating process is gonna make it even softer, so I went with the crunchy pepper. But you can always boil that junk, really. And I'm really looking crazy. It came out so good, I can't even lie. I made a little mini TikTok and I got people harassing me. Got my friends harassing me about it. This is my first time making this, but I'm definitely gonna have to make it again. And it really wasn't that expensive. It was like $18 for all of the ingredients. So thank you to Google and Pinterest for giving me a cheap, quick meal. I'm about to enjoy this, watch The Bachelorette. Where's my drink? My drink, my Diet Dr. Kelp. I have a Truly, ladies and gentlemen, a strawberry lemonade one. A little seltzer. Enjoy this, watch a little Bachelorette, and then go to bed. So I'm getting ready to go to the grocery store real quick. I'm just throwing on a sweatshirt and I have on yoga pants. I'll run to Publix real quick and try to get something to eat. Just got over a reaction I was having this morning. It was like swollen over here, side of my tongue was swollen, and my eyes are super swollen. They're still kind of puffy, still very puffy, but I'm feeling a little bit better. But I legit have almost nothing in here to eat, so I really need to go to the grocery store real quick, real quick, because I'm low energy right now, and get a few things, because all I have is water right now. And although I can survive on water, I would rather not. I'm like throwing on anything. I have on yoga pants from Victoria's Secret, which is so funny. These are super old. My mom gave them to me like years ago. I have on my Essentials hoodie, sweatshirt. This is the tan one. I wear both of these a lot, but I wear the green one a lot more. It's in dirty clothes. And then I'm gonna wear this Coach crossbody and Birkenstocks. Just a slip on, or my Yeezy slides. The slides are pretty dirty, so I'm not gonna wear those. They look a mess. I'm gonna wear the Birks. I could wear my New Balances too, but I wanna have my toes out. It's pretty warm outside. I'm gonna wear this scent as my scent, vanilla bourbon. This is a mixed bar scent from Target. Just something slight to put on. I really don't need to have anything. And I'll pack my AirPods. And we are on the way to the store.
You say you really wanna see it. You only 2 miles away. All I see is face I'm ringing. Yet you don't got time today. That's okay, that's cool. We don't have to talk about it. No, we don't have to talk about it. You say we in it for the long haul. I didn't even get to U-Haul. I didn't even get that far. We didn't even get that far. But we don't have to talk about it.
So the sleepover has started. Everybody has touched down. They just touched down. Adriana's playing her game. AJ and Kayla arguing, and their parents are in the room. Fan fest is tomorrow, and we should be getting ready for that, doing little errands, this, that, and third. I ate salmon, broccoli, and stuff for dinner. I should have recorded that. I definitely did not, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try to record as much as possible. I got the fam here, bam here, and for Kayla's birthday celebration situation. Rocky's here too. Hey boy. Too cute.
That's just how I rock. That's just how I roll. That's just how I rock. And roll, 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 roll. I wanna rock and roll. You can tell by my clothes. I get high as fuck every day. I think I see a UFO.
He got a black ball. Go ahead. Y'all, we out here at Dress for Kayla.
No need to rush, but take your time. I know it's been too long. I've been on the road too much. Had to get back to you.
Bougie baby with her salad. Is it good, Adriel? She got a chopped salad. So cute.
Wake ups, practicing on day offs, tough love, bottled up, no chaser.